Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the NQ Trader back again. So today I'm just kind of going to be doing a little trade recap video. Basically going over um, what trade I took, why I got in the trade, what I was seeing, stuff like that. A little sidebar note of why I didn't live stream today. I was actually traveling. I'm traveling back home. I'm finally home. I made it from vacation and going to see family over the holidays. Stayed for about a week and then decided to drive home, and I missed almost the entire trading session, trading day. Missed almost the whole thing. This was pre-market run up here, and then bam, we have 8:30. And by the way, I'm looking. This is the 5 minute chart, but yeah, 8:30. I checked my trading view on my phone, mobile. Man, I was so upset. I was so upset I missed all this action here. Man, look at this short. This was a beautiful short. Knowing me, if I would have took this short somewhere around this area, I probably would have gotten out somewhere around here. I don't know if I would have had the courage to hold through all of this. Maybe, maybe not. And then definitely for sure would have probably gotten out right here, because if you look left, you can see this support area from pre-market. So yeah, if I didn't hold here, or if I didn't get out here, I definitely probably would have got out around this area. But man, this was a beautiful trade. Looking back at it, it was a beautiful trading day. Um, at the price action, man, going long at the open could have made you some nice gains. And then that short, man, that short from 200, 16,200, man, all the way down, would have been beautiful. Beautiful short. But anyway, and then part two, second leg of the short. You have your pullback. You got your first big leg down, huge, and then you got your little consolidation pullback. And then second leg, all the way down to that at the time made new lows. Then you have your retracement. And so many trading opportunities today, and I missed all of that from traveling. I was drove 10 hours, 10 hours to get home. But anyway, so I managed to get home for power hour. Had about an hour left in the markets. I hurried up, unpacked everything, and unpacked my laptop, hooked it up to my setup, got everything right, and I had about an hour left of trading. I was like, okay, hop in the market. I'm like, let's see what opportunities we could get, what we can find. So let me pull up. I took some screenshots. Let me see. So this is the screenshot of my chart of my entries that I took when I was finished. I didn't even have time to. So I came in, set my charts up, set my levels, and I didn't even have time to stream it, because I didn't want to miss any moves, any price action. So I was like, you know what? I'll just trade off stream, make a recap video for today. So today was actually my trading my Apex accounts and my take profit accounts. It was day 3 in my Apex accounts, and I believe, yeah, also day 3 for my take profit evaluation accounts. So anyway, I hopped in. So this is the screenshot. Let me see here. Yeah, let's make this smaller. So yeah, I hopped in around, let's see, 2:15. So I'm in Central Time. So the market for me closes at 3. Is it 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock. And 4. Okay, yeah. Market for me, or the stock market, closes at 3. The futures market closes at 4, and then reopens at 5 for me. Yeah. So anyway, I took this short here. It's a little quick scalp. I don't even know what. I think I got out by accident, and then price action was just moving. And by the way, this is the 1,000 tick chart. And it's also combined with the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks or candles. I like using that because the Heikin-Ashi kind of gives me an idea of the trend that price is heading in. So if you see here, these are all my all the down candles, the down ticks in the blue. White is down, the blue is up, obviously. I just changed the colors just because I heard that that's a psychology thing. Other than red and green, just change them to different colors and see if that improves your trading. So I was like, why not? Just change the colors and see. Can't really give any data if that's helped or not. But yeah, I'm gonna continue using it and see if it helps improve my trading. But anyway, hopped in the short here. Like I said, I think I closed this by accident, or it hit a take profit by accident. So and all of these I've gone in probably 5 contracts if I remember correct. Yeah, 5 contracts on each of these entries. So it's very quick, very sniper-like. I was waiting for confirmation if price was going to drop below 16,042. That was a level on my trading view chart that I was watching because it bounced around that level multiple times. So I was waiting for confirmation to see if it was going to drop below. Then I had other indicators that was giving me strong confidence and confluence that it was going to keep falling. Everything else supported that it was going to keep dropping. So I was like, you know what? Let's go in another 5 contracts. I think I doubled my entry, doubled here. So I went in another 5 contracts for a total of like 10 contracts at a time. Everything was just confirming. We did get a little pullback here. I think I ate a little bit of drawdown. Probably, I can't even remember at the time, but no, my mistake. I actually got out of these before the pullback. I closed my position right there. The pullback happened. This would have been a great area to re-enter, reposition, but I kind of missed that. And here I was kind of playing it a little bit dangerous. In real time, this was like these were the lows, and it pulled back from the lows at the time. So here I went in short again. I was keeping it very, very tight. I think another 5 and 5, so 10 contracts. Keeping everything tight. Obviously, I didn't catch all of this bottom. I think this was about maybe, gosh, I can't remember how much I made off of that. But here's the other screenshot of the total. So that's that. That's the chart showing my entries. First entry was beautiful, around 16,049.50 ish. Second entry right here, 40 around the 42, level that I was watching because it, like I said on the previous, if you look to the left, I think it bounced around that area 2 times. And this, if it would have bounced here and reversed and went long, this would have been the 3rd bounce. So I was paying very, very close attention to that. Like I said, got other strong confluences that this was going down. I hopped in 5, got in another 5. I noticed that price was starting to pull back, so I exit out. And then, like I said, this was really kind of risky. I was playing it close, even though price, I believe, let's get off the screenshot. If we look, I believe it dropped. This is my actual live chart right now. We're in pre-market, obviously. Nothing, Asian session, nothing's happening right now. I wouldn't touch this at all. Bunch of consolidation. But anyway, I believe, let's look at the 1,000 tick. Yeah, so price went all the way down to about 16,013 before it started its little end of day rally. Yeah, so that was playing that trade very, very close. Here's another screenshot of my the P&L for the day. I decided to stop. Like I said, this was very quick. I wanted to see what the market would give me. I made 2,600 on 10 trades, totaling 50 contracts, all less than 2 minutes. No losses, no losing trades, less than 2 minutes, and 100%. And the commission's only $75 in fees and commissions. That's pretty darn accurate, if I say so myself. That's pretty accurate. That's like one of the most accurate days I've had. And quick and efficient. Very, very efficient. Even though it was risky. Because, like I said, I usually don't. I'm done way before end of day. And yeah, so made 2,600 on the day. I'm really, like I said, I was really bummed out that I missed all of this action though earlier. From the open all the way to, look at this, 8:30 open. You get this pump, huge pump, stalls out around 200, starts to consolidate, and then that epic short that you could have caught, this huge short. But yeah, my thought, like I said, my thought process was I was watching this 1640 area at the time. Like I said, I made it back home, just made it home from my 10-hour drive, and I was watching this 16,042 area very, very closely to see if it would continue to drop. I think I hopped in. Like I said, I hopped in. My first trade was probably my best entry, or the best I could have done at the time. It was around here, 1650, 1649. And then I just kind of just scalped this whole thing. Last trade was kind of risky, shorting near the bottom, but saw the opportunity, made my money for a quick scalp, and I was done for the day. And yeah, that's pretty much my analysis for today, November 29th, Wednesday. Like I said, I'm going to try to be back on, well, I will be back on live stream tomorrow morning, Thursday, the 30th. Yeah, so that's what I saw at the moment. Just getting back in a rush. I had to do a quick analysis of the charts on my trading view. These tick charts, 5-minute charts, everything. I looked it up, pulled it up, looked it up, made sure everything was good, and was able to thankfully was able to capitalize and not lose any money on the day. Day 3, trading my Apex funded accounts. So with Apex, you got to do, in order to get a payout, you got to make it through 10 trading days. And then with their funded accounts, they have a 30% consistency rule. That's important to remember. So your biggest trading day can't be more than 30, or your biggest winning trading day can't be more than 30% of all of your other trading days. So you can't have like a $20,000 profit day and then everything else be like, I don't know, $500 or whatever. You have to keep trading until, keep making profit until that, you cut into that $20,000 that you made. So you really be hurting yourself if you can't consistently get, 5-figure days. You'd be hurting yourself. I've been trading light lately with these. This is taking it slow. So I built the account up to $7,600 so far in 3 days. And like I said, this has been light for me for now. I wanted to build a little bit of capital before I start to go heavy and try to make these, 5-figure days again. But was trading at the time. I was trading 3 PA accounts, so 3 funded accounts. I passed my other 3 accounts, so now I have access to all 6 of my funded accounts. So I'll be trading all 6 of them tomorrow morning during my stream. So you guys tune in, check that out. We'll see if we can stay profitable. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate a like and subscribe, and follow me on this journey. Let's get to the road to 1 million. Let's get it. All right, peace.